This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Caravan cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. You'll need to disconnect the small dampener string on the right side. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops, allowing it to swing down completely. This reveals the filter housing behind it. Once the glove box is down, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. There are usually two small clips, one on each side, that hold this cover in place. Unclip these and then pull the cover straight off. Now you can see the old cabin air filter. Gently slide it out, noting its orientation for the new one. Before inserting your new filter, check for an airflow arrow on its side. This arrow should point downwards, indicating the correct direction of air movement. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, replace the housing cover, making sure both clips snap firmly into place for a secure fit. Finally, it's time to reassemble the glove box. Push the sides of the glove box inward again to clear the stops, and then push it back up into its original position. Don't forget to reattach the dampener string on the right side. Close the glove box firmly, and you're all done. Enjoy your fresh cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.